Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Halsey here from SlimmandStylish.stampingup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm playing with the Count on Me Cling stamp set. This is from the annual catalogue from Stampin' Up, and I'm going to be creating this cute little note card here with the embellished panel and these cute little koalas on it. Let me show you how to pop this together. So first of all, you're going to want a piece of cardstock in whichever colour you choose. I have chosen Smoky Slate. And you're also going to want a piece of basic white for your panel. This is 7.5 centimetres by 11.5 centimetres. And this here is 10 centimetres by 14.25 centimetres. Okay, you want your embossing folder. So I have mine, which is this one. These mini embossing folders actually come in packs of 2, which are amazing. So you can get 2 designs pretty much for the price of 1. I'm just going to build my sandwich up, but I will show you this one here. This is the other one that comes in this pack. So you get both of them. I want my sandwich top, my sandwich bottom, and then I also want the plate that is for our embossing folders. Okay, I'm just going to set them off separately, slightly separately, so that I can actually get some leverage as I put this around my mini embossing, mini cut and emboss. Open that up, really handy this, very portable, lovely to use. I'm just going to pop that in and run it through. I will be running it through, trying to get 2 hands to do it at one go. And watching it not go at all. Let me just try from this side. There we go. It was the hinge it wasn't liking up the other end. So once that's gone through, just move that off to the side. I have got my embossed piece just there, and I can glue that onto my cardstock towards the centre. Okay, so that's ready. Now I want a piece of scrap basic white. So I've got this one. I used this earlier actually for another card on my channel, and I used Kanga just there. Now I'm using the koalas, so let me get those out. And they sit quite nicely onto a B block. And you want to use your Memento ink because you're going to be using your blends. Memento is the best ink for blends, so let's just ink that up, stamp it down. You want your Smoky Slate blends dark and light. So what I've done with this is I've put the dark through this koala's tummy just like that, and then I've also put the dark along the back and just around the side of both of their faces, in the center of their ears and around their nose. And then I've just come in with the light and blended it all in. Okay, so just take that. Okay, and then you just want your snips and you want to fussy cut that out until you've got them like that. The sentiment I'm using here is love comes in all shapes and sizes. So I've actually got a strip of basic white here that I've used on another project, and I've got my stamp, I've popped it onto a H block, so I'm just going to ink that up and stamp that down, sort of there. And I'm going to use my snips to cut out the panel because I don't want it that fat. So that's quite a nice width. And then I'm just going to cut a flag in there. So for that I just cut up the middle and then I take the corners to meet the middle like that. Okay. I've got the shimmery shimmer ribbon from, this is in the annual catalogue, and I'm just going to stick that over there. So what I'm going to do is just pop a bit of adhesive just on there like that. Okay, and turn it over. And there we go. So now you want your base cardstock. I've got mine here. I've already scored it, so I'm just going to fold it and burnish it. And then I'm going to take the base and stick that onto the card. Like that. Grab my little sentiment and my dimensionals and pop that up already. There we go. Pop that over the ribbon so you can just see the ribbon either sides, and then I'm just going to pop the koalas at the top like that. So I'm just going to pop a couple of dimensionals sort of behind the heads of these so that they pop up quite nicely. There we go. And then I've got the Opal Rounds. So these are from the annual catalogue and they're lovely. Hopefully you can see how glittery each one is. Really beautiful, those. I'm just going to lift off 3 of the medium size. So the small ones, medium ones and large ones. You can see I've already took all the small ones and I'm pretty much out of the medium ones now. So I'm going to guess that all projects going forward in future are going to have the big ones on. And that's it. That is my card. So as I said, it's using the Count on Me Cling stamp set. It's also used our embossing folder and our mini cut and emboss machine. Anything I have used today is available to purchase from my website, www.SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. If you have enjoyed the video, please do give me a thumbs up and come back soon for more content. Thanks everybody. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.